Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have a quick preview here. One of my newest Skillshare classes for 2021 is now up. This is how to create these fun botanicals here in watercolors. I will go over how to create all 4 of these projects, and I'll go over the supplies in the beginning, of course, all the steps and the motions, and the class is 38 minutes long, so you can feel free to go check that out if you like classes that are a little bit more involved. And this class is easy for beginners. If you are new to Skillshare, the first 14 days are free when you sign up using my link. And all of the links are in the description down below.